Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? That is good. Today in food and nutrition, we're going to be looking at meat cookery. Okay? Our topic for today in food and nutrition is on meat cookery. So, are you ready for the lesson? Good. So, what do we mean by meat cookery? Meat cookery refers to the art and skill of preparing and cooking meat. Okay? It refers to the art and skill of preparing and cooking meat. Do we understand? So we're going to be looking at the types of meat from different animals. Okay? The types of meat from different animals. We have beef. Beef comes from cattle, typically cows or steers. Another type of meat we have pork, obtained from pigs or hogs. We also have chicken. Chicken is derived from domesticated chickens. Okay? Then lamb comes from young sheep. We also have turkey, obtained from domesticated turkeys. Another type of meat we have veal, comes from young calves, usually male dairy calves. We also have duck, derived from domesticated ducks. Another type of meat we have goat, obtained from goats. We also have venison, refers to the meat of deer. And lastly, we have rabbit, obtained from domesticated rabbits. So these are the types of meat from different animals, okay? Beef, pork, chicken, lamb, turkey, veal, duck, goat, venison, and rabbit. Okay? So next we're going to be looking at the nutritive value of meats. The nutrients meat contains, okay? What are the nutrients meat contains? Meat contains proteins, important for muscle and overall body function. So meats are rich in high quality proteins, okay? Essential for muscle development and overall body function. So meats are proteins. Fats. Meats also have fats. Some meats have more fats. For example, poultry tends to be leaner. Meat contains fats. Different meats contain varying amounts of fats, okay? For example, some cuts of beef can be high in saturated fats, while poultry may have linear options, okay? Meats also have vitamins. Meats provide B vitamins like B12, niacin, and riboflavin, okay? Meat contains vitamins. Meats are good source for various vitamins, including B vitamins. Okay? Do we understand? Minerals. Iron and zinc in meats support functions like oxygen transport and the immune system. Iron and zinc are essential minerals found in meat that contribute to the functions like oxygen transport and immune system support. Okay? Do you understand? Good. Meats also have amino acids. Meats offer essential amino acids for protein synthesis. Okay? Meats provide essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own, contributing to the overall protein synthesis. Do we understand that? So these are the nutritive value of meats, the nutrients of meats, okay? Proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, amino acids. Do we understand? Okay, good. So next we're going to be looking at the methods of cooking meat. Methods of cooking meat. How can you prepare meat? Okay? One way in which you can prepare meat is through grilling. Cooking on a grill for a smoky taste. So you can prepare your meat through grilling, okay? Cooking over an open flame or hot surface, okay? Impacting a smoky flavor, a smoky taste. Do you understand? You can also cook your meat through roasting. Baking meat in an oven for flavor. You can roast your meat. Cooking meat in an oven, often with dry heat, for a flavorful and tender result. Do you understand? Roasting, cooking meat in an oven. Okay? You can also fry your meat. Frying, cooking in hot oil for a crispy texture. So frying is also a method of cooking meat. Cooking in hot oil, either shallow or deep frying, okay, for a crispy texture. Do you understand? Another method you can use in cooking your meat is through boiling. Simmering meat in water for stews. So you can boil your meat. Cooking meat in simmering water is suitable for stews and soups. Okay? Another method, braising. Slow cooking meat for tenderness. Combining dry and wet heat to cook meat slowly, enhancing tenderness and flavor. Okay? Braising. And lastly, stewing. Slow cooking meat in liquid for hearty dishes. Okay? Stewing. Slow cooking meat in a liquid, often with vegetables, for a hearty dish. So these are the methods of cooking meat, okay? You can use these methods to prepare your meat. Do you understand? Would you love to try these methods of cooking meat? You will, right? Grilling, roasting, frying, boiling, braising, and stirring. Okay, that is good. So today's lesson on meat cookery, we understood everything, right? We talked about the types of meat from different animals. We also looked at the nutritive value of meat, the nutrients meat contains, right? Then we looked at methods of cooking meat. So we understood today's lesson, right? Okay, that is good. So next we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure you're going to be able to do your assignment, right? Okay, that is good.